welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a smoky eye makeup look. It is on this eye look, and I didn't actually know what color smoky eye I wanted to do. All I know is I wanted to use the Tarteist Pro Palette, so I just went for this sort of burgundy purpley color. I kind of had that in my mind when I was doing it, but wasn't sure, and this is what I came out with. So if you guys like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel because it means so much to me when you guys do that. And if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. Let's go. Let's get into the smoky eye. I'm going to start by priming my eyes with the MAC Soft Ochre paint pot. Ooh, and I'm going to zoom you guys in. Into the eyes. Okay, and then the eyeshadow palette I'm going to be using for the smoky eye is the Tarteist Pro. To set this eye in place, I'm going to use the classic shade. I'm just patting that in. I have an idea of the eye look I want to do. You guys will already have seen the eye look, but I have an idea. So we're going to be using like a lot of shades from this palette. Because it's such a nice ginormous palette, I'm going to use quite a few different shades. So I'm going to use this shade here, which is Chic. I think it's Chic. I'm using a large blending brush. And this we're just plopping in the crease in like large circular motions. Very, very large blending circle thing. And I'm going to go in with Indie, which is the shade below Chic. And I'm literally just going to do the exact same thing because Chic just seems a little bit too warm toned. I love my warm tones, but not for the look I want. There are probably some warm tones still on this brush. Actually, no, there shouldn't be, because I washed it. Now I'm going to go in with Profresh, which is the shade next to Chic. And this one is going more directly in the crease, but still in a blending motion, and still like in a circle. Smoky eyes don't have to take very long, but they can, depending on the blending. Why are there so much brush hairs on my face? I think this brush is getting a little bit too old. Okay, now I'm going to use this shade here, which is No Filter. It's on the row above. And this one, I'm just going in windscreen wiper motions. Okay, now I'm just going to grab a clean blending brush and just blend, blend, blend. Now I'm going to go in with Mod, and that is going right in the crease. Right there. I'm just using windscreen wiper motions. Should have mentioned that. Now I'm using this shade here, which I think is called Minx. Minx? I have no idea. I'm using my finger, and we're going all over the eyelid, from the inner corner to the outer corner. Go as close to the inner corner as you can get your little finger. Now I'm just going to use a little flat shader with the same shade, and we're just going to go right into the inner corner and just fix it up a little bit. go back in with Mod, and that's just going to go in the crease. Leave the crease without blending it. Now I'm going to go in with a drummer and a little pencil brush, and we're just going to put this on the lower lash line. Okay, now using the same brush we used with Mod, grab a little bit more of Mod, and we're just going to go underneath, we're just going to blend out the lower lash line. Just going to go back in with the pencil brush and apply a little bit more of drummer. Okay, and now I'm going to go in with the blending brush we used to blend out the shades before, and we're just gonna blend out the shades again on the eye. Just going back in with Minx and the brush. I'm just going to clean off the brush, use the clean side of the brush, and I'm going to go in with Glam. Oh, no, Glamour. It's Glamour. And we're just going to lightly apply this in the center of the eye. Like really lightly, like you can barely see it. And then with a shading brush, I'm gonna grab Glamour again and just go in the inner corner and the brow bone. And I'm just grabbing a bit more of Classic as well on the same brush, and I'm applying that on the inner corner and the brow bones. And I'm grabbing a bit more of Glamour, and we're just applying that on the inner corner. And now going back in with the shading brush and Minx, and we're just going to clean it up a little bit. So basically all I did was just pat on the outside of where we applied the Glamour shade on the eye, just to clean it up a little, make it look nicer. Now I'm going to apply mascara, so I'll just speed through this part. I'm just using the MAC False Lash Extreme Black, and there we go. If you just add like mascara to an eye look, it makes the eye look so much nicer, and it doesn't really look like you've been punched in the eye. If you feel like you do look like you've been punched in the eye, and the Glamour shade doesn't give you that much wide awakeness, then grab maybe the MAC pigment in vanilla, or even just like a frosted eyeshadow, and you will then just put that in the inner corner and it will look great. So yeah, that is the end of this smoky eye look. It's quite simple. As long as you know how to blend your eyeshadows, your eye look is going to look great. And you don't have to use these purple and burgundy shades. You can use blues, reds, greens. I'm going to probably do like a green or like a colored look and show you guys how to do colored eyes. So that is my next mission, is to do something colored. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel because it means so much to me when you guys do, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks guys, bye.